Hello, my name is Junaida Perez Amin. Today I'm talking about Learning Activity 3 Gadgets 5. I compared the old TV with the new TV. The old TV, they are very heavy, they were not advanced, has very good audio, it was resist, it got very hot, and spent a lot of energy. The new TV, there are line way, there are advanced, loud TV, make them resist, don't release heat, and doesn't spend much energy. Comparison. The old TV are heavy than the new TV. The old TV are less advanced than the new TV. The new TV are not as sound better as old TV. The new TV are not as resistant as old TV. The new TV are less hot old TV. The new TV are less energy as old TV. Thank you.